Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I will show you how to create a private story from your Snapchat account, and this trick almost works for all Android and iOS platforms because these app settings are common for all devices. So anyway, let's go to our tutorial. So first of all, click to open your Snapchat application. So now in this camera section, in almost top of left side corner, it shows my Snapchat profile picture. So simply select it. And it shows my Snapchat username and other settings category. So here you can press this new story option and it is placed at top of the stories menu. And then it shows two options. One is private story and the second one is custom story. So if you like to add private story, by simply press private story option, and also it shows my Snapchat friends list. So why it shows my friends list? So you can share your stories with your specific Snapchat user, and this is called as private story. So I try to select my close friends. So once you select your Snapchat friends and then press create story, and also put your private story group name and then click to save these changes. So now my group is created successfully. So if you want to post any story, so simply tap this private story group and then make your Snapchat video. So once your video is successfully created, just click to send this story to your private group. So finally you can see now my Snapchat private story is successfully posted. So this is the way you can easily make your Snapchat private story by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.